All right, so here we go. We got winners finals. We have SDX and iModerz versus Joe J and Draxsel. So this should be interesting. Got a lot of high caliber players up there. Again, Joe J on the come up, looking real good as of late. We'll see where they go here. We got, the classic Fox Mewtwo from SDX and iModerz. Then we have, Draxsel out here on the cloud. We got Joe J on the Diddy Kong. Thank you. So, should be fun. Should be interesting. Going to Battlefield here for game one. And here we go. So we're starting up. We got Zambo back.
Oh boy. The fancy boys versus the other boys.
Yes, the other boys.
I don't have one.
The
for
other
that.
guys.
Ooh. They kind of are the other guys in this situation, yeah.
So, wow. Hot start here from red team. They already put a good little hurting on.
Yeah, they're red hot right now.
Oh, wow, he footstools him, and SDX gets a grab anyway, as Draxsel is just getting beaten senseless.
Draxel's just getting
oh,
lead over there. All right. What's he going to do? Oh,
it's a cross slash. He's going to tech that.
He techs. Okay. Big tech by iModerz there. He won't die. Like
he will not.
If you're playing Fox, you got to know how to tech.
Absolutely. If you don't tech as Fox, you might as well stop playing Fox because you're not going to live for very long.
I like playing bad Foxes. You can't tech.
I know, it's a crazy.
Oh, okay.
Wow. The trick shot as he a little soccer kick over the top.
The trick shot. Oh, dude, perfect action there.
All right, so Draxsel trying to recover, gonna get down smashed. Yep, there he goes.
Yeah, you can't recover, Drax. Recover.
Recover.
You can't recover, Draxsel. No.
All right, so blue team looking like they're having a bit of struggles here as Joe J is trying to recover.
Yeah.
SDX just kills him. He's dead.
Boy.
It's over. So
Jesus.
Draxsel, Joe J's on his last stock. Draxel's looking mighty hurt himself here.
It's rough seeing a character so good just get completely invalidated.
Exactly. Yeah. In this sense. Oh my goodness! He tried to jump through.
He came flying in there.
Yeah.
These guys are out for blood.
And he just footstools him. He had to recover, I guess, but. My God!
Now that there's money, well, there's always money on the line.
Yeah.
Now that they're getting close to the money, they're all business.
Oh,
Look
absolutely.
at this. This is style.
This
is grace. Yeah.
They put on the tie. Wow. Brutal.
Oh, you lost my controller, Dylan? Don't set my controller down places, you jackass. Keep it up. Don't set it down anywhere if you're gonna use it.
Put it in your pocket. Put it in your hoodie pocket. Okay, so
sorry about that.
iModerz lost that stock right there. Fourth row eats a dare
to the depths.
Wow,
poor Draxsel.
And he just gets the up smash. My goodness.
He doesn't want to lose it.
Brutality. And game one. Game one. Going to SDX.
Is it good? Let me
iModerz.
Strawberry. I don't think the strawberry is good. Yeah.
Crab quote. You got the regular ass water.
I don't know where you go from there. Oh,
we go to Captain Falcon is what we go to.
All right.
So that was brutal though, and we're gonna go to FD for game two.
That was rough, dude.
That hurt.
Whew.
I'm interested to see how the Falcon's gonna fare.
Well, I mean, he's gonna. That's his best area.
Exactly. Yeah.
He adjusted.
Probably gonna get one with it. So Joe J starting off, kind of putting some pressure on. You know what I mean? Looking a little bit better. He's gonna get nared right there though. Draxsel is putting a lot of percent.
Yeah, because Captain Falcon, he can just up air.
Exactly. It's much like 64. You know what I mean?
I actually saw somebody go for the up air up B and get it. I can't remember where I saw that. But they did that in Smash, so it was disgusting.
iModerz lost his stock right there. I'm gonna say pretty early. You know what I mean? All things considered.
He sort of fell into. He just got bounced around.
Yeah.
That happens in doubles sometimes. You just can't get away from anybody, and everything is doing damage to you.
Exactly. You're just like, please stop. Let me touch I want to play the game.
It's why heavies
this.
suck in doubles.
Yes, exactly. So, wow, gets a dash attack on both of them. Draxsel is the only one he takes out, though, to the blast zone, but he does make it back. Up smash. Connects. Draxsel now off stage. Gonna recover. Looking for the dare. Gotta do something, I guess.
Oh, he makes it.
Wow. Slips in between. He dunk him.
He gives him a down air for his trouble. So a mangle into down air by Draxsel.
Wow. Well done.
See who needs Cloud, dude.
Yeah, I mean, you know, Falcon is the best character in the game. I don't know if you knew that.
Captain Falcon is the best character in the game,
So,
hands down, bar
blue
none.
team loses their first stock, finally, I'll say.
iModerz only has one.
And there goes Draxsel. So now we're tied in stocks. Maybe not. No, he's coming back.
Ooh, I thought maybe Joe J was gonna boss up there and down air them.
Yeah. Ooh, he down airs his teammate, but he is gonna get it. He's not.
Wow.
The only person to go down on that exchange
Was Joe J. Yeah, misstep there.
It's
that
really gonna
sucks.
hurt. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a big hurt right there.
Yeah. This is a not the caliber of players you want to have that type of misstep. But it's looking like it might not hurt him too bad.
Yeah,
as
that's not too bad.
Yeah.
Obviously, you do want every advantage you can get, though.
Yeah. All right, so SDX putting in his work now, doing SDX things. Joe J finally putting an end to it.
Ooh, all right. There we go.
That's a stock taken. So,
Blue team got the stock lead back.
yeah. I mean, Draxsel.
Oh, okay,
he
all
almost
right.
got.
Didn't get the spike, though. Draxsel can make it back in a shadow ball from SDX.
I like
he
that.
wanted
I
it.
like that a lot. Oh, reads the roll. Up smash will take that stock. So now we're even in stocks. We have Joe J. Rather high percent, though. All things considered here.
Falcon kick.
Wow.
Best move in the game, baby.
Yeah. Some may say that. I don't know if they're right.
I don't know. Joe J is at really high percent
Yeah,
here.
he's got to stay alive for his team, you know what I mean? And we have a really odd situation over there on ledge. I don't know if you saw that. MISFIRE really didn't have much of a way to get back up. But he is back on stage now. Draxsel looking for the dare, does not connect. Misses the grab.
Draxsel just going all the way out there.
It's the up air. Misses the nair.
Yeah.
Oh. Could you imagine? Oh, gets the grab, forward throw, putting some damage on.
Oh, wow. How do you miss that grab? All right, another Falcon kick.
And Joe J is dead, and so is SDX on a trade of the century, I'd say.
All right, we've seen this before.
We've
seen this before. Oh, he misses
gets
the knee.
the soft knee. Okay, up tilt, up air doesn't connect. Reads it with the
wow,
up smash, does not connect
did
there
not
either.
Get that.
Looking for the tipper pause, gets the grab. Okay, no reverse nair. Okay, we're gonna see some little dancing, some footsies. Somebody's trying to get something going. Looking for that one hit. It's the throw.
Got the air dodge off stage, but not where he wanted it.
And smart job by MISFIRE too. He put himself. Ooh, he got it. He just misses the up smash. So there's a lot of moves coming out from MISFIRE right now. Nice spacing.
Oh, with the Falcon kick! And it works!
Wow.
Third time's the charm, baby.
You know what they say? Falcon kick must be the best move in the
Falcon
game.
kick is the best goddamn move in the game.
Wow. So Falcon kick takes it right there for Draxsel and Joe J. They take game 2.
Very clutch showing by Draxsel there.
Yeah, I mean, MISFIRE is just missing that up smash. That hurts a lot. I will say, though, when he got knocked off stage, he got, I think it was like a soft bear or down to whatever knocked him off stage. He did a really smart job when he air dodged, not to air dodge towards the stage. Because if he were to do that, you can get with a down air,
Yeah.
hit with a knee.
You don't want
that. You don't want to be underneath him air dodging. You want to be farther away.
You don't
want him to
want
come to you.
You don't want any part of that.
Absolutely.
Another
He starts off with a Falcon kick is a good grab, though.
Maybe he's just trying to charge limit.
Maybe. I'll give it to him.
Captain Falcon with limit would be pretty crispy.
I mean, yeah, that would be scary.
Limit Falcon punch? It's frame 1.
Exactly. Limit Falcon kick. I don't even know what that would be.
Limit Falcon dive, you just explode. Limit Raptor Boost, dude. Why is Raptor Boost called that?
I don't know. Well, I guess Bird is Raptor.
I thought Raptors were done. Is there? I guess there is.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like they call it Raptor Vision if you have like Bird's Vision, right?
I don't
Eagle
know.
Vision, I guess is another thing people.
Eagle Vision? Isn't that a TV
Ooh.
station?
And that down air is going to take SDX off stage here. Draxsel, go home with the Falcon kick.
Oh my God, yo, that actually could have been really bad for MISFIRE.
Could you imagine if he got spiked?
Yes,
the
dude,
most
I
epic
was just,
bait of
I was
all
just
time.
thinking that. Draxsel is playing with fire now.
I mean, yeah.
These baits.
Ooh, up air is going to take that one out. as Joe J is going to lose that stock. Fully charged Shadow Ball on deck. Back throw. Draxsel off stage, needs to recover. You know, Joe J doing a good job just running in, kind of backing them off so he can recover safely. Gets him there, put some damage on him. Draxsel off stage again. This time, MISFIRE elects to go try to help his teammate.
Yeah, you really. I think they've sort of got the strategy now.
He's dead.
Wow.
So SDX
Just barely got him enough with those Tims too.
yeah, the tippy toes really. The forward throw is going to take him out there.
Wow, Draxsel.
Draxel's just running train right now, and he's going to lose the stock though.
Yeah, red team needs to find a way to contain Draxsel.
Exactly.
Because right now Draxsel is their big weapon, right? Joe J is acting very good in support. But Draxel's the one getting the kills. He's taking the stock, so they're gonna have to neutralize him if they wanna win this.
Yeah, and they're having a tough time. As Draxsel is just looking mighty crispy, but that fair will even up the stock count. So, wow, he charged that F smash for a while.
Sure did.
Okay, so the jabs to the nair gets the forward throw, and the back throw. They were like just in unison right there. Another back throw here. Draxsel kind of gets a free recovery, but gets bounced right back off on the get-up read.
Yep, these ledge traps from MISFIRE are doing really well right now.
Wow.
Okay.
Okay, nice save. And the fair. Gonna take that stock just like that.
That's a great example of what they have to do. They have to make sure, like, listen, Captain Falcon is an okay character. He's very exploitable in certain ways, especially with Fox. If you can keep him off stage, you can keep him just...
Monstrous F smash.
You know, if King Kai were here, he would say you just threw that out.
He did just throw that out, to be fair. Wouldn't be wrong by any means. So Draxsel.
And another one. Oh boy.
He's connecting with these F smashes. He gets another.
All right.
Stailing that F smash.
So what were you daring?
The sniper shot.
Draxsel, no.
It's like when you see Wanted and he curved it past all of his opponents.
Yeah. And this is gonna be hard for Joe J.
Yeah. Ooh, catches him with the up smash.
So, towards the end there, red team really started to pull away. And I think the big key there is to handle Draxsel. Keep him off stage, make him uncomfortable.
Absolutely.
Don't go on stage with him, though.
Yeah.
You don't want that.
Yeah. I mean, if you're going to do it safely. You know what I mean?
Yeah, you don't want smoke with Captain Falcon off stage.
No.
You do not want that.
Yes. It's a bit scary.
So I think... Sorry.
It's, going back in. Sorry.
Oh, wow.
Game
FD.
for FD.
Again.
Who would have guessed?
Who would have thunk it?
So we'll see if it's more of the same.
I think Joe J's got to...
Okay, hot start from Joe J, though.
I think he's got to step up a little bit in this game, and I think he knows that. Draxsel got 4 kills last game. That's a lot easier to... That's just a lot easier to close that game out if they're both getting kills. You know what I mean?
Absolutely, yeah. Like, it's good to be a stock tank and all, but at some point, like, you gotta find your target at least once, you know.
Yeah, because then they can just solo Draxsel, and then
once he's gone, it's like who gets the kills.
Yeah.
So just throwing out these F smashes, and they're just working. He's dead.
Yeah, he's
Draxel's
super dead.
Gonna send him to the depths, and now SDX getting up. Right from the ledge there. He's going for another one. He tried to end him early.
He went for the knee.
Wow. That would have been a hard one to tech, too.
Yeah, for sure. FD is weird.
It's very strange. So,
another strong start from blue team, I would say.
Yeah, and I mean, like, they've had these strong starts, but like you saw last game, I mean, sometimes they just can't finish. That's the real problem. You know what I mean? We'll see how they work right now, though. I mean, that nair connected.
Nah, he's not dead.
Okay. Yeah, that's me too. And he had a jump. So, side B only connects on SDX right there. Forward throw. Tom Brady's him. Does not get the kill.
Another Falcon kick.
He just loves these Falcon kicks, man. I haven't seen him throw Falcon kicks like this.
Draxsel learned from the Zambo school of Captain Falcon.
So I don't know if you saw it. The up tilt followed him all the way up there was SDX with the up air, but the up tilt from Joe J is going to take revenge. Ooh, tries to spike Draxsel, but just avoids it. So SDX looking to really just end anyone. I mean,
Yeah, just get kills, dude.
get the
Ooh,
kills.
all right.
It's gonna drag.
Hit him out of the Raptor boost there.
Yeah.
That definitely would have taken it.
Oh, yeah. Absolutely. Dash attack. MISFIRE
Good dash
off stage.
attack.
Fair. I mean, I think you take that trade.
Yeah, that's definitely a solid trade right there. Ooh, actually, I don't know.
Yeah,
That
now
puts
that
him
you're looking at the stock,
that puts him a stock down.
And
I don't know about
I don't know about that now that you look at it. That's more or less an unfortunate situation, though. There's not much you can do about it.
Yeah, I guess they'll take what they can get.
So that was strange. I mean, the forward throw hitbox from Fox actually knocked SDX off the ledge. Right, carrying him up with these up airs.
Draxsel hasn't landed in a long time.
No, he finally touched the ground. He's gonna get put right back up there.
Yeah, that was big percent on Draxsel right there because he couldn't land and Joj could not save him.
Ooh, the tech read on the up smash is going to take Draxsel's stock, and the up smash is going to take JoJ's stock from SDX that time. So that stock disadvantage.
Yeah, it's looking like it's
gone again.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah. So blue team really got to take one of these stocks.
Yeah, a lot of forward smashes from Draxsel coming out now. I don't know if that's going to work again, Chief.
Yeah, I don't know. He's just kind of feeling it, right?
Oh, wow.
He had the read, but a nice save coming in from his teammate here, MISFIRE. Oh, Draxel's running past everyone, getting grabbed.
Oh my God, he's dead.
The fair footstool from MISFIRE, and now what we have is a lonely Diddy Kong.
The lone monkey.
And he's got quite the mountain to climb, to be completely honest with you.
Yeah, and he's got stubby legs, dude. I don't know if he could do it.
Yeah. He's not like a mountain goat or anything. Okay. This is a scary situation. Like, for JoJ?
They're both at kill percent.
Yeah, I mean, like, if he gets, like, an up tilt on SDX, he's got the stock there. I think, if anything, he gets the drag, gets that, and he's dead.
That was the
fair.
That was the wackest fair footstool I've ever seen of all time. Did you see that? That was like the I got that, but like that didn't look clean.
Yeah, he was like, there was a little bit of hesitation between it, but it does
did
not
not
matter.
look. All right.
As they take a 3-1 victory over Draxsel and JoJ.